Hello, everybody. Michael Palacci here with Digital Marketing in 60 Seconds or Less. It's Workona Friday. Let's get started. Today on episode 60, we'll talk more about the Google My Business Marketing Kit. The Google My Business Marketing Kit is a great economical way of creating marketing assets without knowing how to code or design. In your browser, go to marketingkit.withgoogle.com and enter your company name. Click on Get My Free Materials and scroll to the Freshen Up Your Feed section. This is a great tool for making quick and easy social media posts that you can share directly from your Google My Business listing or download and post to any social media profile you'd like. There are quite a few very simple steps involved, but there are just too many for me to run through here in 60 seconds. My tip of the day, go to staffordtechnologies.net/off the ladder for a step-by-step guide and use these great digital marketing assets from Google to market your business. As always, if you have questions about this, digital marketing, or your website, comment on this post, IM me, or email me. So that's it on this Workona Friday for digital marketing in 60 seconds or less. We'll see you next week.